Hey, get your dance shoes ready. You're about to learn some salsa. Hey guys, Herman here, back with another Shine tutorial. I hope you're ready. We're gonna learn today. Today's a fun one. Short, small, 8 count, but I know you're gonna love it. Enjoy. What's going on, Salsa Ninjas? My name is Herman, back with another Shine tutorial. Let's jump right into it. 5, 6, 7, basic step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna go to the side. 1 and 3. So that means 1, I pause for a second, 2, immediately, and 3. So you have 1, 2, 3, but 1, 2, and 3, that space in the middle, that's where you're stepping. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3. One more. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3. From the back. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3. 5, 6, 7, and side. Bum, bum. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 3. After that, I go 1 and 3. I'm going to tap on the outside 4. And I'm just tapping. There's no weight on that foot. I'm just extending the leg on 4. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Extend the leg. And then I cross. 5, I kick. 6, and I step 7. Let's do that again very slow. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3. Extend the leg. 4. Cross in front. 5. So I just went from the leg extended. I cross in front. 5. I kick 6 diagonally, and then I step back 7. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and go. 1 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Weight is completely on that right foot. Last one. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 more. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to extend and step 1. So I skipped the 8. So I went 7, 8, 1 diagonally. I tap behind 2, and then I come back 3, and I'm done. 5, 6, 7. So that went 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Last one. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. From the back. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Last one. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. So after you did 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All the way from the top, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5. Last one. 7, 1, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Here from the front, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, again, 1, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and again, 1, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Last one. 1, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So now that you know the whole pattern, let's do that with music. Notice, these are fast steps that we're doing here. You want to first start practicing this with cha-cha, and then advance the speed up to salsa. Start slow and then progress fast. Also, after you get the steps down, start to incorporate some of that body movement into the step. I'm going to have a tutorial more in the future for how to move your body as you're taking steps so that you look natural while you're doing the step as opposed to being stiff. So keep an eye out for that. Let's do it with music. Boom! Boom! Awesome job, guys. Well done for making it all the way to the end of the video. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something. Leave this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Follow us and subscribe here for more free salsa tutorials. I'm posting them weekly here, so stay in the loop. And if you want a private lesson with me, send me a direct message and maybe we could work something out over FaceTime or WhatsApp. We'll do it. Till next time, bam!